Probably, huh? So the Google Maps would know that that's closed?
Yeah, I guess we should have used Google Maps.
You still figured it out, though.
Yeah. Came all the way to the other side. Oh, sorry.
I always edit that stuff out. Try to.
I always forget. I always think to myself, oh, but James is... I'm going to turn on San Jose. Isn't that on San Jose?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh, but wait, what if it's closed?
Oh.
It's not closed. Because isn't Frankenstein's on San Jose?
Yeah.
Man, I hope it's not closed. I'm going to kick myself in the ass if it is.
Can I watch you kick yourself?
Man, you're going to do a lot of editing of that.
I know.
Yeah, what do you mean what fucking bitch called me fat? You don't remember? La Conch.
Oh, on the video.
Yeah, she called me fat, man.
She's rude.
I don't care because I am fat, right? But has she taken a look in the mirror, lady?
I know, right?
You calling me fat?
Oh, these are people with bags in their hands. Oh, well, why are they walking so far? Where are they going? If it's too complicated, never mind.
Why are you tapping out already? We're not even there yet.
Oh, I see people. Why are they parked way over here? Where are they going?
Maybe they don't have cars.
Oh.
Well, yeah, why are these people parking way over here?
That's what I'm getting at. What the heck?
Okay, now I'm scared.
Well, this video is how we passed by Frankenstein.
What? Well, I always have to look in the other parking lot. I'm going to go over there.
Wait, that's not even Frankenstein's. It's on the...
Yes, it is. It's right there.
Right here.
I like that this van's right behind me.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
I've always had to look.
Maybe it's busy because somebody's going to be here today.
You think?
Sometimes they have like these athletes that come and they sign their...
Should I go in here or this side over here?
I guess go. Did you have to pay in here?
No. Well,
Either one.
I'm going to go over here. I've always had to look over here.
Oh, yeah, this is the... Watch out for this lady.
I want to know. Yeah, no matter how many times... But if you follow these dudes, they're leaving. Right here, this guy's leaving. This guy leaving. I've always told you that. Every time I come in here, we find parking. Right here, these dudes are leaving too. That van behind us, probably fuck. Okay, I'm gonna let you out first, okay?
How much do you have?
I guess there's nothing in the store.
Oh, no.
I was here and now you're asking me what did I get.
What were we buying for?
Hijo de su madre. I don't know. I don't remember. It might have been a year and a half or something.
Really?
I wanted to put my glasses on and I took them off and I put my shade. Here you go. I don't want to be in front of you.
Why? You don't want to be in the video? Which way do we go?
They're coming back.
Where? Oh,
Remember
yeah.
how we saw the...
Yeah.
They outlived McFarland stuff.
That's it? $4?
I have these to bring already. They have this.
Guardians of the Galaxy? That's cool.
That's how we can never find them.
Yeah.
Helicopter
Chinese. Oh, I have the one.
Do we turn here or what do we... Does that go around or what? Oh, this is more card stuff.
You want to pick 3?
I'm going to show you all this stuff over here too.
What's on that side?
These, look at how cute those are.
Oh, those are cool.
I think you make them.
Wow. Oh yeah, that's pretty neat.
You make them right like that.
Oh, okay. Is it cheaper to make it or put it together yourself? I mean, it's cheaper to buy it or make it yourself. Wow. So that means this place is doing actually pretty good then, right?
Yeah.
I always thought they were probably going to go
And
under.
it stinks in here.
Ew. Like what, body odor? Or?
Yeah. Look at how cute that is.
It is cool.
Brent would like that. $125 for a lunchbox. What if we see one cheaper?
No, how much cheaper? I have that one. But it's not in the box though.
I was gonna say, yeah, that looks familiar.
It's pretty nice to watch it
Does it
out.
come in a box?
I don't know, but
You're brave touching it.
he said I could touch it, yeah.
Okay.
But I like the paint job.
That's good. No, I was gonna say that's layaway, but no, don't ask.
Yeah, don't ask. Nice.
Look at all the Godzillas. Look at the little Godzillas over there.
Oh, no way.
Look at them.
Oh, I don't know. Dominic would know.
Look, there's baby Godzilla over there.
Oh, Gazuki. Yeah.
That's what happens. He's getting free soda. Yeah. It's like, okay.
Quick. Is that Gazuki, right?
Yeah.
How much is that one?
This one's 70.
70 bucks.
And then we got the older version.
Oh, that's
This
right.
one's 40.
Wow.
This one's from the Final Wars. Like
Okay.
more recent look. And then this is the old 60s, 70s.
Right. That's probably the one I'm remembering. Okay. Okay.
Not right now. Sorry.
That was Godzilla fan at first.
Yeah, yeah. I'll have to send him here with his paycheck. Thanks.
Thank you guys.
All right. I'll be back.
I thought I'd ask. Why not?
Huh? How you doing?
I wanted to ask. Why not, right?
Yeah.
That's why I
Okay, so then if that is.
That's Brent.
That's sure,
Yeah.
exactly.
I always tell her, do you know what that is? I do.
Yeah. So I guess all kids are like that. They already know
Well,
what
they
it
watch YouTube.
is. Wait, what's this? Planet of the Apes? They don't have... What are these heads? What are those? Just random heads?
$75.
What? Why so much? So I'm breathing on you right now. Hot breath. Jaws? 75 for that? Okay.
You said isn't that this back in 300?
Yeah, that's King Leonidas.
Wait, what's in here? Huh?
This place is very busy. There's so much to look at.
I know, I don't even know where to focus. I see a Hulk back there. I don't know the price though.
Well, he ain't gonna be no $10. I'll tell you. I can see a price on them. He's 25. Brent's at Hot Topic. Buy one get one free.
No way.
Yeah. So,
How much are they here? 30
well,
bucks.
That's 30. So they literally paid 15, and now they're telling them this these I remember seeing all those. I wanted to buy something for Brent, but it was big sizes. I know they're eating already. They got people posted everywhere now looking for stuff.
Oh yeah.
You know, these are really cute. But unfortunately, I'm at that age that that's not cute to me anymore. Well, to me, no more. Maybe for Brent.
Why is it not cute to you then?
It's cute, but not for me to use. I guess is what I should say.
I like these shadow boxes.
You can make your own shadow
I
boxes
know,
like
but
that.
I'm getting ideas. So you're saying that,
They're cute, but not for me.
is it more because now you would rather spend your money on something else? Sort of?
Expensive stuff. Yeah, I would rather spend my money on like one expensive item.
Ooh, the air feels good though.
That's what I need right there when you're in the bathroom.
The fan? Hope that shirt fits.